Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a project roadmap using Asana, your all-in-one project management tool. Let's start with the very first step, logging into Asana. Make sure you're on the home page. The reason we start here is because it's your central hub for all your project management needs. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to the second step, creating a new project. Click on the Plus New button on the top right corner and select Project. This helps us because it sets the foundation for your roadmap. Next up, you'll need to name your project. This step is crucial because it helps distinguish this project from others you might be handling concurrently. So make sure it's something descriptive and easy to remember. After you've named your project, let's proceed to the next step, setting up your project as a roadmap. Click on the Timeline tab on your project's navigation bar. This is where you'll create your roadmap. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is essentially converting your project into a visual timeline, which is your roadmap. The next step is to add tasks to your roadmap. Click on the plus Add Task button and make sure to add due dates and assignees for each task. Let me explain why this matters. These details are crucial as they help your team members understand their responsibilities and deadlines. Now that we've done that, you'll want to organize your tasks into sections. Click on the Add Section button at the top of your timeline. The reason we do this is to keep your roadmap organized and easy to navigate by grouping related tasks together. Lastly, you'll want to customize the view of your roadmap. You can do this by using the Filter and Sort options at the top of the timeline. This step is important because it allows you to view your roadmap in a way that best suits your needs, making it easier to manage your project. And there you have it. You've just created a project roadmap on Asana. Remember, a well-structured roadmap can greatly improve your project management efficiency. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next tutorial.